In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. We'll walk through 2 simple ways to get that clean. Step-by-step reveal. First with the typewriter animation for a letter. By letter look, and then by adjusting element timing so separate text boxes appear in sequence. Open your design in Canva so you can follow along. Let's start with the typewriter effect, which is perfect for videos when you want your message to build naturally. Click on the text box you want to animate, then head to the top toolbar and select Animate. In the panel that opens, look for the writing section and choose Typewriter. This instantly gives your text that automatic reveal. From here, tune the feel, adjust the speed so the pacing matches your video's rhythm, and choose whether it animates by letter, word, or line. By letter creates a dramatic, detailed reveal. By word is a bit snappier, and by line is great for longer paragraphs. Set the animation to occur on enter so it plays the moment the text comes onto the scene. This makes your timing consistent and ensures the effect kicks in right as the text appears in your video. Now, if you want multiple pieces of text to appear one after another like bullet points or short phrases, use element timing. Add each item as its own text element so they're separate boxes on your canvas. Keep them aligned and styled the same for a polished look. Then, click any text element and choose Show Timing. A timeline will appear along the bottom of your screen. Each text box has a white bar that represents when it shows and how long it stays visible. Drag the ends of the bar to set its start and end and move the entire bar left or right to shift when it appears. Stagger these bars so the first text appears, then the second, then the third, and so on. Make the gaps between start times consistent to create a smooth rhythm, and give each text long enough on screen for viewers to read comfortably. If something feels too fast, slow the speed in the typewriter settings or extend the bar so it remains visible longer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.